Hey, good morning. It's Tony here at Smart Motors Certified Used Cars on Odana Road in Madison. Beautiful day here in July, and today I've got a 2020 Toyota Sequoia. This is a used limited edition Sequoia, midnight black metallic, and man, this is a gorgeous full-size SUV. Love the style on this one. So 2020 is the quote-unquote old style, and many of you know 2023 there's an all-new Sequoia coming, but I will say to get a 2023 it's going to cost a lot of money and a long wait. So if you need a full-size SUV, this might be the great option for you, and these are super high quality vehicles and a tremendous resale value. So the limited edition has a lot of chrome on here. Comes standard with these 20-inch cast aluminum wheels, running boards on the limited, chrome accents on the door handle, body side molding, your outside mirrors. This is a 7-passenger edition, so plenty of room in the back seat for your friends and family. Cargo rack up top, trailer towing package on the back side. The Sequoia is the 5.7 liter V8, 280 horsepower, 401 foot-pounds of torque. So a ton of power for that trailer towing. Great for small boats, campers, utility trailers, those types of things. Again, midnight black metallic, all the bells and whistles on this one. Let's take a quick look inside. Leather interior, full power seats, heated seats, power telescoping steering wheel, backup sensors, navigation, power sliding moonroof. This is a gray interior in excellent condition. JBL audio system standard on here. Memory driver seat. And as I mentioned, this is a 7-passenger. So you've got the bench seat in the middle, the folding armrest, and then you've got a jump seat in the back, 3 more passengers back there. Great for the kiddos. Rear heating and air conditioning standard, power outlets in the back seats here for your smartphones and your computers and such. Rear shades on the back windows here. This one has 41,000 miles on it, so reasonable miles on a 2020. Looking at a nearly 3-year-old unit. Go ahead and pop that tailgate open here for you. So there's a good amount of storage back here. There's hidden storage down underneath. This one has the factory floor mats. Got storage there. The back seats here, these are power actuated. So if you want to drop them down, just push the button. Away it goes, drops down. The headrest drops down. You can do that on both sides. So a ton of room for people. Lots of room for cargo. Really a great unit. 2020 Toyota Sequoia Limited Edition. This is a certified used, so you get the extra certified warranty, which includes a 7-year 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. And then new for 2022, we have a SmartCare maintenance plan. So we're going to cover all your maintenance for the first 2 years or 25,000 miles, plus include roadside assistance. So give us a call right here at Smart Motors Certified Used Cars on Odana Road in Madison. We'd be happy to show it to you and work up a price and a deal you can agree to. Thanks for watching.